both ways. Train's heading west towards Vancouver, I'm assuming. It's a long one. Goes on forever. Look at that sky. Here, we're halfway. Here comes the engine. Kansas City Southern. Nice. I've noticed a lot of Kansas City Southern, either at the front of the train or in the middle of the train. But my arms are getting tight. When we come, oh, and there's another train way down there. I don't know if you can see that. That's where the double splits off. There's two lines there, but it has to wait till this train goes by, and then it'll come through. So we're just going to stick around, see when that other one comes around. Yeah, this goes on forever. Oh, we're coming up to the end. Look at that. I'm going to pause it here. Well, not even 2 minutes later, and here we are with another train coming down the track. That's the joys of being on the main line, folks. Look out for those trains.